Hi guys, this is Chan and today I am going to show you how to test the web services and APIs using a software tool called Soapui. Before going to Soapui, we will see first what is an API. An application programming interface, it is a set of routines, protocols and tools for building software applications. In APIs comes into two main flavors, SOAP and REST. SOAP is nothing but Simple Object Access Protocol. It is defined as a receiver of an XML document and is also expected to respond with an XML document. And REST means Representational State Transfer. It is defined as manipulating the request URL and interpreting the answers. And we will see what is web services. A web service is a software system designed to support interoperable machine-to-machine interactions over a network. In other words, a web service is a service available on the network. A SOAP UI includes several protocols. Some of them are HTTP, HTTPS, SOAP, WSDL. WSDL is nothing but Web Service Description Language. As I told earlier, it also supports SOAP and REST, including AMF, JDBC, and JMS. Soapui is a free and open source cross-platform functional testing solution with an easy-to-use graphical interface and enterprise-class features. Soapui allows you to easily and rapidly create and execute automated functional regression, compliance, and load tests. In a single test environment, Soapui provides complete test coverage and supports all the standard protocols and technologies. We will see now how to install and download a Soapui. Download and install the Soapui tool. First, open the web browser and give SOAP UI as URL. And it will open the home page of SOAP UI. Click on downloads. Give download SOAP UI. And it will open the page like this and click on get it. As I have downloaded it already, the downloaded tool will be located in the download folder. So go to the download folder and seek for the downloaded tool called SOAP UI. Yeah, here it is, and double click on it. Yeah, it will take some time to download. It will take a minute or 2 minutes for downloading process. This is the extraction file of this SOAPUI tool. A pop-up window will appear on the screen. This is to accept our permission to install the software on our system. This is the extracting process, it is showing now, and wait a moment. It will ask our permission to install the software on our system and click on next. This is the agreement to install the software on our system. Select the I accept the agreement and click on next. This is the path where the software will install on your system. If you want, you can change it by clicking on it and click on next. This is the utilities that are going to install on your system, and it will ask for the agreement. Click on next, give next, and if you want to create the start menu folder, you can create it by clicking on this, or else give on next. If you want to create the desktop icon, if you click on this, or else and do next. and it will showing the actual installation process. Wait a moment until it finish. It will take a time. Yeah, the actual extraction process is finished, I think. Click on run Soapui and give finish. The actual Soapui page that your work will appear on the screen now. It will take a moment to open. Please wait. Yep. This is the startup page where you work on Soapui tool. After the installation process, an actual working space will appear on the screen. As I have explained before in the introduction itself, and SoapUI is a tool which is used to test the web services and APIs. First, we will see what is web service. A web service is a software system designed to support interoperable machine-to-machine interactions over a network. And an API, application programming interface, it is a set of routines, protocols for building software applications, and it is also specifies how software components should interact with each other. An API comes in two main flavors, SOAP and REST. SOAP means Simple Object Access Protocol and REST means Representational State Transfer. We will see what is SOAP first. A SOAP API is defined as a receiver of an XML document, and it is also expected to respond with an XML document. And REST. REST means Representational State Transfer. It means manipulating the request URL and interpreting the answers. Now you have understood what is SOAP and REST APIs. These are the shortcut keys to create a sample SOAP project. To create a sample project and connect to a web service WSDL, we have to click on File and go to New SOAP project. Give the project name as Currency Converter. And here we have to paste the URL which includes WSDL for the currency converter. For that, we have to go to a browser and give currency converter WSDL file as a URL and search. Click on currency converter WSDL. WSDL is nothing but the web service description language. Just copy this URL and paste it the initial WSDL. Just make sure that you have checked the create sample request for all the operations. Click on OK. The loading definitions are nothing but the WSDL programs are loading into the SOAP project. When you press the OK button, you should see the following folder structure on the SOAP UI navigation pane. So this is the currency converter which we have given as a project name. Click on conversion rate and double click on request. It will open a pop-up window like this, which includes from currency and to currency. So just replace the question mark as GBP to USD and add this request to a test case. Give the test suite name as test suite itself, and OK, and it will ask for the test case and click on OK. A pop-up window will appear like this. Add request to the test case. Just make sure that you have checked the add SOAP response assertions, close request window and show test case editors, and click on OK. A pop-up window will appear like this. Just select the conversion rate request and run this test case. An output will appear like this. Just copy this program and click on assertions. Go to adds an assertion to this item. Select the property content, in which we have to select the export match. Here we have to add the export match. Click on add. So it will appear like this. It will divide the portion into two offs. One is the export expression which we have to apply. The another is expected results. In expected results, we have to paste the program which we have copied earlier and replace this result as star and copy this variable along with the URL. Because we have to use, when we are using the variable, we have to declare it first. So to declare in SOAP UI, we have to give it as declare namespace equals the variable name. Just remove the double quotes there and replace it by the single quotes. Give SOAP colon envelope of 1, because we have given SOAP and envelope here, and click on hello white box and click on save. Now it has created the assertion. It is showing it is valid. Now we have to check the expression path, that is the X path which we have selected, and the X path to validate the SOAP. The body exists, that is, now it is time to declare an export expression to validate the SOAP. Body exists inside the SOAP message. So we have to create the another assertion. Click on add, click on property content, select the export match and add this. We will give it as export match 1 as name, and we have to declare it as declare namespace and paste it as, and replace the double quotes with the single quotes. And here we have to change the expressions as exists of SOAP colon body. It will check the SOAP body is exist in the assertion or not. So we will give it as true. If it is exist, it will validate the assertion. If it is not, it will invalidate. Click on save. So it is showing that XPath 1 matched failed because some expected actual, click on, just change it to true. Now it is showing that the XPath is valid. Now it is time to declare an XPath expression to validate the SOAP conversion rate response exists inside the SOAP message. So create the another assertion, go to property content, select the XPath match and click on add. Give the assertion name as XPath match 2, click on OK, and here we have to declare it once again. Declare namespace. Here we have to change the URL as web service x .net. Replace the double quotes by single quotes. And we have to enter the expression as xlmns. This is the variable name. If you want to change the variable name, we can change it now. Colon conversion rate response. Just check it whether it is similar to this one. And click on save. Before that we have to enter it is showing that it is valid. Now it's time to declare an XPath expression to validate the SOAP conversion rate result that is exists in the SOAP message. So we have to create the another assertion, select the property content, go to the XPath match and add. Give it as XPath match 3 and declare it once. And give an expression as exists xlmns colon conversion rate result. Just check it once whether it is similar or not and give it as true. If it is true, it will give it as valid. It is showing XPath match 3 is invalid because the XLMNS conversion rate is failed. So check it once there. Yep, I have made a mistake here. Just change it to X and see. Just check the, yeah. Here the assertions are valid. Now it is time to declare an export expression to validate the SOAP. Conversion rate result text matches with a regular number inside the SOAP message. So we have to create the another assertion. Just click on property content, go to export match and add an export match. Give the name as export match 4 and declare the namespace here. Give it as www.webservices.net. Just change it to and replace the colon. Here we have to give the expression as matches of XMLMS conversion rate result of 1 slash text of, close the single quotes there and give it as slash d. And here enter it as true. Just check it once whether it is correct or not. And save. It is showing that it is valid. And now click on the submit button highlighted on the top of the window to validate our assertions. Now your test case is complete, tested, and the assertions are all green. Thank you.